Hello guys, this is my third day in practicing speaking in English. So today I'm gonna share with you all that my routine is when I am wake up in the morning. So I pick up my I pick my AirPods and listen to podcast. And after an hour of listening podcast, I'm I take a bath and uh what is this called? Like I'm gonna wash my face and 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 drink a water. So that's my morning routine. And after that, I'm gonna cook some rice and other stuff to to make a breakfast. And then yeah, and go back to my I'm go back to my studying, like listening, listening, and also some reading if I am tired on listening, reading, and it is advantage for me because I am unemployed, and I hope that someday, uh, I improve my English, or I improve my listening or reading or and speaking. I hope that this will be uh, this will be become a success because I challenge myself to in 6 months or 1 year I can speak fluently in English and not thinking in English. So it is hard for me because I am a beginner, and I don't have because in my school days I hate English, so that's why it is hard for me now. And it is important to learn English because I have a big what is it called, like a big dream in my life. Like I want to talk to other people, other foreign people, and I want to communicate them, to connect them. That's why I learn English, and also for a job because you know it is hard to find a job if I can't speak fluently in English. So it is important to practice my speaking and communication skills. And yeah, after after this, so I listen a podcast later, or I find another technique to learn in English. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.